Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Gypsy Wife Life. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this package right here, but I'm also going to be trying out everything in this package, and I'm so excited to share this with y'all. I'm a little bit nervous because I've never done anything like this before, but it's going to be okay. We're going to get through this together. So really quick, I want to say I just finished doing my skincare. I actually just filmed a skincare video, which will probably be posted before this video. I'm not sure. Before or after, whichever, but whenever it's posted, be on the lookout for it. So I did skincare, and then I already did like my foundation, concealer, contour and bronzing, blush, and my eyebrows. I just wanted to get that out of the way because this is gonna be serious, okay? And this is gonna be all about lashes today. Let's go ahead and get this package open so I can show you what I got. This package came in from Think Show Lashes. I will have their website linked down below so you can check it all out. You guys, I am so excited for this. If you hear meowing in the background, that's my needy children. They do not like doors closed, and they don't like being without their mama or their daddy. Okay, so I just opened everything. Let's check out what we have here. First thing we have is a little thank you card. We also have a little instructional card here that tells you how to do what I'm about to do. So there's instructions and some more information inside the little booklet. First thing we have here is the Think Show DIY lashes. This is a 80 cluster eyelash extension kit. These are real lash extension fibers, and they are supposed to last up to 2 weeks. So this is what the inside of the packaging looks like. It has a mirror here and then just a clear window here so you can see the lashes. This is what the lashes look like. I'm gonna give you a close-up shot. Oh my gosh. This is very exciting. Next up, we have a little pouch here. So inside the little kit, we've got some tweezers. They're angled tweezers. Next up, we've got some little cosmetic scissors. And next up, we have the lash applicator. We also have the bond and sealant, which looks like this. It's double-sided. On one side is the bond, one side is the sealant. This side is the bond, and this side is the sealant. Then we also have a gel remover, which is supposed to obviously remove the lashes. This is interesting. And this is what it looks like. So yeah, today I am going to be doing at-home lash extensions using this kit. Before I get started with this, I just wanted to show you everything before I destroy it all. Just kidding. Okay, so these are the lashes. I forget what style I got, but I will have it listed below in the description, right where the link will be. So these are the lashes, bond and sealant, removal, scissors, tweezers, applicator, instructions, and thank you card. I am more nervous than I should be. I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but where I've never done this before, I just hope I don't mess up. All right, let's get to it. I got my lashes lined up. They're sitting on my makeup desk. I hope I'm doing the right sizes. All right, so we're going to apply the bond first, and we're going to apply it to the inner lash line. So we're not going outside on top of the lash line. We are doing the inner. First thing you do is apply the bond, apply the lash, and then finish off with the sealant. Let's go, girls. Okay, what was I so worried about? That was really easy, actually. I'm gonna press it into the lash line with the applicator. Hello. This already looks good. I'm gonna pick up the next size. Okay. Apply some bond to these lashes now. Next piece. And the last one. Just pressing the lashes to my natural lashes. Very quickly, very easily, and it's done. On one eye anyway. Before, after. All right, so now that I'm done with this side, I'm gonna go ahead and use the sealant. Is this real life? I love them, and that was so easy to do, and I was so nervous for nothing. So if you're gonna be trying something like this and you're a little bit nervous, just take my advice, it's gonna be okay. You can do this. If I can do it, you can do it. All right, let's go ahead and see if I can do the other side now. Let's apply the bond to the lashes. I'm gonna finish this eye off with the sealant as well. Okay, I can't believe I just did this. So easy, took barely no time at all. Less time than I normally would when putting on my mascara, because I always apply a primer first. I put a ton of that on, and then I will sit here for a good amount of time and put tons of mascara on, basically just to get this look, the length and the thickness. Can you believe this? So doing mascara and my primer is more time consuming than what I just did. This is amazing. I'm impressed with my own self. I'm impressed with this lash kit. I'm in shock. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some black liner to my upper waterline, the lash line, but it's the waterline, just so that there's no skin gap. Y'all know I always do this. These look so natural. These actually look like my lashes, so I am loving them. That is amazing. They look so natural and beautiful. Girl, these lashes were chef's kiss. So there is no need to add mascara. I'm actually not gonna do anything because I think this looks good as is, and I'm glad I did my eyebrows, my foundation and stuff ahead of time, but I'm gonna add a little extra bronzer. Your girl is feeling herself right now. Let's get overly bronzed, because that's how I like it. Or an overabundance of blush. Again, just how I like it. Let's get this hair down, and then I'll blend my face just a bit. Look at these lashes, and they're supposed to last 2 weeks, so that means I can go to bed with these on, and I'm gonna wake up with these lashes. Y'all better quit playing. I don't know why I never did something like this before. Girl, game changer, time saver, lifesaver. I am ready to go. Yeah, so if you want to check these out, like I said, I'll have them linked down below. I'll also tell you which set I chose, because they have all kinds of different styles. And I'll also even put in the pattern below of what I did, because these are like numbered. So I only did 4 and it gave this result. That's amazing. Okay, so I did 14 on the outer corner, and then I did a 12 beside it, a 10 and an 8. So 14, 12, 10, and 8. When Alan gets home from work today, he better not give me no attitude, because I got these lash extensions on and I am not having it today. I'm just kidding. He doesn't give me an attitude. I was just trying to be funny. But, okay. I'm just, I know I'm being very annoying, but I'm just like amazed right now. And if you wanted, you could go in with some liner. You could do some wing liner. You could do some eyeshadow. You could do whatever you wanted, because you already got your lashes on now. So you could just do what you want and be on the go. Before I end this video, honestly, I was very nervous. I was like, I'm not gonna be able to do this. This is gonna be too hard for me to figure out. It's gonna be a flop, but it turned out amazing. I also thought it was gonna take like a really long time. Like I thought it was gonna take me a good 20, 40 minutes, and then it was just gonna get all messed up and I was gonna cry about it. But this took no time at all, and I'm already done. I'm literally already done for the day. And I could not be happier with the result, honey. I'm gonna flutter my lashes at everybody today now. Y'all better not even see me in person and try to talk to me, because I'm gonna be like, y'all gonna be like, is there something in your eye, girl? Are you okay? Okay, anyways, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I highly recommend trying these out. Seriously, it was not that hard at all. You just apply that little bond, set them lashes on there, press it to your lash line, finish off with the sealant, and you are good to go, girl. Amazing. Absolutely love them. recommend them to anyone. Just go for it, do it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Like I said, if I can do it, you can do it. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a like, leave me some comments down below. Tell me what you think of my new lashes, girl. Look at me, I'm already getting like this attitude, like, yeah, but let me know what you think of my lashes. And I'll see y'all next time, bye.